Benvenuti amici scienziati! Today we're going to talk about the wickedly popular pH changing makeup. Does it really change color? And how does it work? There are quite a few pH adjusting changing makeup that are very popular at the moment. This is the pH adjusting lip oil from Revolution. We also have the Huda Beauty Petri Dish blush that created quite a havoc a while back. And let's not forget, I don't know if you remember this, the flower lipstick from 2016, which also is a color-changing lipstick. And I'm gonna destroy today the green lipstick from Barry M. So, is this magic or science? Let's do some fun experiment together and find out what happens to our makeup. First, a little bit of chemistry. The molecule that changes color inside the makeup, it's called red 27, and it's a dye. It's part of the family of the azo dyes, which are largely used in food coloring, but they deserve their own video. If we look at the pH transition scale that I've put on the screen, we can see that from pH 4 to 5 onwards, the dye is expected to be a bright pink, while below that it's colorless or a slightly pink hue, and there is a pH range between 2 and 4 where the dye changes color and it starts to turn from one color to the next. Skin saliva vary from 5.5 to maximum of 7, and this is quite above what is the transition point of the red 27. Damn! And now let's destroy some makeup. For today's experiment, we're using home ingredient, lemon juice, and a saturated solution of bicarbonate soda. Bicarbonate saturated solution have very basic pH. As you can see, it turns green straight away, while lemon juice is very acidic, around pH 2.5. So we are way above and way below the transition point of the red 27, which is inside our color changing lipstick. Let's do some experiment with the makeup. On the right hand side, I'm gonna test the pH oil from Revolution, and on the left hand side, the lipstick from Barry M. Now what I'm gonna do for both of them, I'm gonna add a drop of lemon juice and then a drop of the saturated solution of bicarbonate soda. And you can see that with the lemon juice, we are below the transition point and they are clear, while the basic side turns pink very quickly. Now let's do another experiment. Let's see if we can reverse this reaction. I've added to this test tube a little bit of the lipstick and some lemon juice. As you can see, the color is greenish cloudy, the color of the lemon juice, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the saturated solution of bicarbonate soda and follow when the color changes fully. As you can see, the more I add, the more it starts to appear the slightly pinky color, until then I completely overturn the red 27 and we have the strong pink color. Now this reaction is reversible. If I add lemon juice, it will go back to the acidic state of the red 27, which has very pale to no color. As you can see here, we have completely reversed the reaction, and now we are back into the acidic state of red 27, which has no color. So, as you can see from the experiment, it's the pH adjusting molecule that reacts to the pH on our skin or in our saliva and changes color. And the way in which colored product like this green lipstick from Barry M or the black lipstick from Wicked works is that you have color in a concentration at such that it's not overpowering, and when you apply on the skin it disperses, so my skin does not appear green, but actually it's a clear color, and the red 27 inside the lipstick is going to change color in reaction with the pH on my skin and become pink. To be able to have this reaction, the makeup will have to be prepared in conditions that are below the transitioning point of the red 27, so that when we apply on our skin, it can change color. The red 27 actually stains a little bit the skin, and it stays on for quite a long time. This was me after 12 hours, and as you can see, it's still there. If we look back into my shorts, you'll see that I did a video where I did the pH changing and color theory with my mom, and you can see that the same products which I use, which are these two, they change slightly, so they appear a little bit more corally on my mom when we applied on the skin, and a little bit pinkier on me. This is not because the reaction is different, But because our undertone are different, when I applied on the lips, me and my mom, we have quite a similar lip color, so the lip oil looked the same, while these and these on our skin looked slightly different. This was not really so much due to our pH, because after pH 5, we are already over the transition point and the red 27, it's pink. But it's more about our undertone and how the color appears on different skin color. So, this is the wicked chemistry behind the pH adjusting makeup. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and see you next time. Ciao amici scienziati!